I'm Zinalyn Sherbo from AA1AA. This is how to use a commands in a MS-DOS. First, type d colon, then create a folder, type mkdir, space, my last name, Sherbo, create a folder in your folder, type cd, and my last name. To create a folder, follow to mkdir, A, space A, enter cd, space A, enter mkdir, enter cd, space B, mkdir C, enter cd C, mkdir D, enter cd D, mkdir A, cd A, then type dir to check if the folder you create is correct. Then type cd dot dot to go back on the previous folder. Type 3 to see what inside on your folder. And then type rain space folder name. Like for example, you edit folder A. Type rain space A and your edit name. Now, if you want to delete folder, type rd or rmdir space folder name. Then type dir to check if the folder is deleted. If you want to create a files, type cd greater than space folder name dot text. Type if you want to edit your file, type edit space file name, then enter. Okay, type my last name Sherbo and enter section E1AA, enter cos 1 and then press alt F, alt X and Y. And then if you want to see the text inside your files, type space file name. And then if you want to hide your folder, type attrib space drive name space positive H space positive R positive S and positive A. Enter. Enter, then type the dir. Then if you want to restore the folder, type attrib space drive name space negative H negative R space negative S space negative A and then tapos done. Okay na po.